Today's concept is rounding of numbers. First, we know the use of this rounding of numbers. I will explain it in the Telugu because you have to understand it clearly. Otherwise, in the next classes, you can't do. ఇప్పుడు మీద ఒక బర్త్డే పార్టీ ఉంది. మీ ఇంట్లో ఒక బర్త్డే పార్టీ చేస్తారు. మీ బర్త్డేనే ఉంది, మీ బర్త్డే పార్టీ చేస్తున్నారు. మీ బర్త్డే పార్టీ చేయడానికి మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరినీ ఇన్వైట్ చేస్తారు కదా. మీ క్లాస్లో ఉన్న ఫ్రెండ్స్ని, అట్లాగే మీ సరౌండింగ్స్లో ఉన్న ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడా ఉంటారు కదా మీకు, వాళ్ళందరినీ ఇన్వైట్ చేస్తారు. ఇన్వైట్ చేసినప్పుడు వాళ్ళందరికీ ఫుడ్ ఆర్డర్ చేయాలి లేదా కేక్ ఆర్డర్ పెట్టాలి. మీరు కేక్ కట్ చేస్తారు. ఎంతమంది వస్తారు? సపోజ్ ఒక 15 మెంబర్స్ వస్తారు. 15 మెంబర్స్కి కేక్ 15 పీసెస్ కావాలి. 15 పీసెస్ కావాలంటే 1 kg ఆర్డర్ ఇస్తే 15 పీసెస్ వస్తాయా? ఎంత ఇస్తే అదర్వైజ్ 15 గ్రామ్స్ ఇస్తే వస్తుందా? 20 గ్రామ్స్ ఇస్తే వస్తాయా 15 పీసెస్? ఆర్ 500 గ్రామ్స్ ఇస్తే వస్తాయా? ఎట్లా అనేది మీరు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయలేదు కదా. సో అట్లాగే ఫుడ్ ఆర్డర్ చేయాలంటే ఇంకా 15 మెంబర్స్ వస్తారని తెలుసు. సపోజ్ వాళ్ళతో పాటు ఇంకా ఎవరైనా వచ్చారు, వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ వచ్చినా, వాళ్ళ బ్రదర్స్ వచ్చినా, సిస్టర్స్ ఎవరైనా వచ్చినా ఎక్స్ట్రా, అప్పుడు వాళ్ళకి ఫుడ్ దొరకదు కదా, ఫుడ్ ఉండదు కదా మీ ఇంట్లో. అప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేయాలి? అప్పుడు మీకు మళ్ళీ కష్టం అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు? మీరెస్ట్ ఇంతమందికి అని చెప్పి ఆర్డర్ పెడతారు. 15 మెంబర్స్ వస్తే ఓకే 20 మెంబర్స్కి పెడదాం అంటే 15 అంటే ఎక్కువ మందికి పెట్టుకుంటాం, కానీ తక్కువ మందికి పెట్టుకోగా 13 కానీ 10 కానీ పెట్టాం కదా. 15 కాబట్టి 20 పెట్టుకుంటాం ఆర్డర్. సో అలాంటి రియల్ లైఫ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ కోసం ఈ రౌండింగ్ ఆఫ్ అనేది యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఇట్. టు ద నియరెస్ట్ 10. Nearest to 10. First we'll take two numbers, 2-digit number. Suppose 35. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Nearest 10. For the nearest 10, first we'll check the ones place number. This is the ones place, this is the tens place. Here 5 is there, means this is the 5. If the digit of the ones place is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, just write here 0. Suppose 34. Here ones place is 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the ones place, if 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 is there, just write here 0 in the ones place and write as this remaining numbers. If the one in the ones place digit, in the ones place 5 or 6 or 7 or 8, 9 or 10 are there, then is not there, then will not be there. In the ones place 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is there, just write here, write 0 in the ones place and write the often number of tens place number. What is the often number of 3? 4. Understood? We'll take one more example. $73. This is the ones place, this is the tens place. Here they are asking to the nearest 10. They are asking nearest 10, round of the nearest 10. So You are taking ones place. If they are asking nearest 100, we'll take the tens place. Okay, first we'll complete this example. Here, in the ones place, which number is there? 3 is there. Means it is in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In these numbers, 3 is there. So, just write 0 in the ones place and write the remaining number as it is. Which number is there here? 7. Write that one as it is. Suppose 76. In ones place, 6 is there. In tens place, 7 is there. So, 6. Write 0 and increase the tens place number 1. Write the often number of 7. 80. Because 6 in the this group 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Understood? Copy it. Pause the video and copy it to the classwork. Copy this one. Round of the 47 to the nearest 10. Here 7 is there. If the 7 is there, what we have to do? We'll do change the 4, add the 1 to the 4 and change this ones place to 0. Now, in the ones place 3 is there. So, change the ones place to 0 and keep the tens place as this. Copy it. To the nearest 100. Rounding off to the nearest 100. For rounding of nearest 100, have to check the digit at the tens place. For nearest 10, we'll check the ones place. But here for 100, we'll check the tens place. 4, 3, 7. 437. This is the ones place, tens place and this is hundreds place. For nearest 100, check the tens place. Here 3 is there. If 3 is there, what we have to do? We'll keep 0 in the tens place and 0 in the ones place and write same digit in the hundreds place. Okay. $487. This is the ones place, tens place and this is hundreds place. In the tens place, 8 is there. Why we are checking tens place? Here they are asking nearest 100. So, we are checking tens place. In tens place, 8 is there. If in the tens place 8 is there, what we have to do is just add 1 to the hundreds place, 5 and change the tens place and 7 ones place as 0. Understood? Nothing is there. Don't worry. It's very easy concept. Just keep zeros in the tens place and ones place and write the often number of 4. This is the nearest 100. We'll write about the nearest 100. Copy this into the classwork. To the nearest 100. For rounding of a number to the nearest 100, check the digit at the tens place. If the tens digit is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, change both the tens and ones digit to 0. Keep the other digits same. Copy it to the nearest 100. Second point, if the tens digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, add 1 to the hundreds digit and change both the tens and the ones digits to 0. Exercise 1.8. I will explain two problems. Remaining do it in the homework book. Don't do in the classwork. In this first Roman, round off to the nearest 10. G. I am doing G. 409. What they are asking? Round off to the nearest 10. For nearest 10, we have to check ones place. If it is the 3-digit number, if it is the 4-digit number, if it is the 5-digit number, we have to check only ones place for nearest 10. If they ask nearest 10, we have to check only ones place if it is any digit number. In the ones place, 9 is there. So, write often number of tens place number. What is the often number of tens place number here? What is the tens place number? 0. 0 often number 1. Right? 1 in the ones place, right? 0. Remaining same. Remaining digits same. So what is the answer? 410. Now we'll take one more example. 1921. Here in the ones place, 1 is there. If 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is there, what we have to do? We'll change ones place as 0 and remaining numbers as it is. Copy these two problems in the classwork and remaining problems in the homework. Do it in the homework book. Next day interaction class is there. I will check each and every one homework books and classworks. Next second one. Round off to the nearest 100. I 4990. For nearest 100, for rounding of nearest 100, which place we have to take? Tens place. This is ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. In the tens place, 9 is there. If 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are there, what we have to do? We'll write the often number of 9 or add 1 to the 9. If we add 1 to the 9, we'll get 10. So, carrying. It's 5. 5, here 0. In the tens place and in the ones place, we'll keep 0. So, 5000. One more example. H 2803. For rounding of nearest 100, we'll check the tens place. In the tens place, 0 is there. If 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are there, what you have to do? We just 0 the tens place and ones place and write the remaining numbers as it is. Copy it and do the remaining problems into the homework book.